Myself Lloyd. Today's my presentation on optical fiber in optical communications. Introduction to optical fibers. The optical fibers are are thin standard and a glass or a plastic that transmit the data as a light signal. They are crucially for a modern communication systems demanding the highest speed of a data transmission. Understanding their structure and the op- operation is essential for a advantagement adva- advisement in a technologization. Structure of a optical fiber. In a optical fiber consists of a core ca- cladding and the protective outer layer. The core is close. The core is very the light travels while the cladding reflects the light back into the core. This structure allows the phenomena of a total inti, inter, internal reference to crucial of a efficiency of a signal transistor. Types of a optical fiber. There are many types of optical fibers: signal mode and the multi-mode. Signal mode fibers have a smaller core diameter and also only one light mode to propagate. The multi-mode fibers have a larger core, allows the multi-light mode which can be later moved to disperse. Advantages of optical fibers. The uh, optical fibers are higher bandwidth compared to a traditional copper cables. They are the less susceptible to electromagnetic informations to ensure the clear signals. The additionally optical fibers are light and more durability, making them the essential intelligence and the application of a technologization. The optical fibers are widely used in a technologization and the interact the technology service. They are the enable long direction communication and the minimum signals loss and the high data rates. The many model networks influence the 5G rally heavily on a optical fiber, influencing the more communicative. The signal transition processor. The data is converted into a light signals using the laser or LEDs for a transmission through a optical fiber. The the light signals travels through a core and of the fiber, reflects of the cladding. At the revolution end, the photo direction converts the light signals back to a electrical signals for a processing. Challenges of optical communication. The dis- depletion there, the advantages the optical fibers faces the challenges such as the signal attraction over a long direction, environmental factors like a temperature changes can be effective process of a optical fibers. Additionally, interaction cost and the need more specific equipment can be processed poses the challenges. Future trade in a optical fiber. The research is ongoing to develop the new multiple and the design for improving the optical fiber, inventing the like a photonic crystal fiber and the beginning the experience explore the enhance performance and the efficiency. The integration of optical fibers with the emerging the technology like quantum communication shows the great promotions. Comparison with the fiber communication technology, optical fibers outperforms the copper cables in terms of a speed, direction, and the bandwidth. The wireless communication technology are the limited by the range and the interface, whether the fibers optical reference the communication, while optical fibers requires the uh, carrier interface and the mani- ma- maintenance. So maintenance, they are the provides the separated long terms of a benefits. Conclusion: the optical fibers are or the modern communication network enables the rapid data transition. These advantages are the traditional technology makes their efficiency for a more advantageous. The, com- the controlled innovation of optical fiber technologies, which are space for the future global communication. Thanks.